Bonjour fellas, today we are making some pickled red onions. We're going to start with 2 large red onions. We're going to be chopping them like so. So as you see, we're going to remove that bit of waste there. We're going to be chopping them as much as we can around the onion this way. Not like this to make rings, but around this way. This gives better presentation, and also it just looks better. So we're going to do slightly thick because we want to maintain a little bit of crunch in it. Our onions are nicely chopped up. We're going to go in with some garlic too. This is one thing I like about pickling. You can experiment with different herbs, different spices, and sort of make your own. Okay, got our garlic chopped up, onions are ready. We're gonna add about a teaspoon of black peppercorns as well, and about 5 grams of salt, which is roughly like a teaspoon. Got our pickling jar ready. We're gonna throw in our garlic on the bottom and the peppercorns. Because these are smaller, they'll float. I'd like to add them at the bottom. It's roughly that much. Chuck the babies in. I'll go with a bit more. Now, we're just gonna fill our ooey without making a mess, hopefully. Bro, come on. Behave. Behave. Alright. You can use this for all kinds of things. Sandwiches, we can make it like a topping on top of rice. I've always wanted to make this, and this is like the first time I'm trying it. How funny is that, hey? Okay. Onions are ready. Time to cook the liquid that's gonna go in here. A teaspoon of salt. Okay, she's bubbling away. Okay, that's not a good idea. Don't do that. Don't do that. You've got a big pot of water like that boiling away. Just use a wooden spoon. Don't be lazy. She's looking good. Bubbling away. That's enough heat. Got our jar here. Peppercorns, onions, and garlic. We've got our pickling solution here. You want to very carefully pour that in. Beautiful. With the jar came this, because this was a old pepperoncini jar. So beautiful. See how everything's contained nicely in there. That's it. We're going to let this come to room temperature, and within 24 hours will be really good, but you could even have this within a couple of hours when it cools down. How good is that? How exciting. Our pickled red onions. See, this I have actually started eating. This is like a week or so after I've made them. And look at the color, the purple, red color. It's amazing. Crunchy red onions. That's some good flavor right there, guys. Definitely give this one a try. As you can see from the jar, how it looked before, I've definitely been smashing this intermittently. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys in the next one.